My Magic Pet Morphle can morph into anything I want. Morphle, morph into a fire truck. Look, Troy. Do you want to take a ride in a real fire truck?
That's not a real fire truck. My big brother Gerben is a firefighter. And I can take a ride whenever I want.
Ah, an emergency!
Now Morphle can see what a real fire truck can do.
That sounds like a challenge.
We've got this, man. Huh?
There you go. We brought your cat to safety.
There's a building on fire on the other side of the city.
We're faster.
Oh no, this fire is too big. We can't do this by ourselves.
Let's work together. Morph into a flying fire truck.
Wow! It's wonderful to have some help from a magic pet. Morphle, would you be interested in joining me at the fire department from now on?
Morphle no can. Morphle Mila pet. You know, firefighter Gerben, I think I know the perfect magic pet for you. Awry, help your new human companion.
Wow!
Those kids are so loud. Is that Orphle? Do you want to help me play some pranks on Mila and Morphle?
Yeah!
Now, Orphle.
Huh? It's Orphle!
Yippee!
Oh no! It's Orphle again! I think I know what's going on. Listen, Morphle, I have an idea.
Look, Orphle, you can jump on top of their sand castle.
Yeah! Now, Morphle. I know Mr. Vanderboos helps you to prank us. But how would you like to help us prank him for once? Yeah! Hi, Mr. Vanderboos.
Hi, Mila.
I'm sorry for being so loud, Mr. Vanderboos. We will never do so again.
Oh, that's all right. I guess I can go back to watering my yard. That's strange. Ow! Now I'm all wet. What is going on? What? Where did you come from? No! Stop growing! Now my backyard looks like a jungle! A tiger! It really is a jungle! Ah!
Hello, Mechanic Joe. What has happened?
I was just driving this truck when all of a sudden it stopped moving.
Morphle, morph into a bulldozer.
Wow! Even Morphle can't move the truck.
We glued it with the world's stickiest glue that we stole from Professor Rashid.
Oh, the mud. I mean, the wrecking bandits.
We are no longer the wrecking bandits. We are now the glue bandits. Now that we have the world's stickiest glue, we can glue the mud machine back together and use it as a glue machine to cover the whole city in glue. Not in my city. Stop it right there, bandits.
Tumbling test tubes. It seems that you have been glued stuck as well. This is an antidote. It stops the world's stickiest glue from working.
Yay!
There is more back in my laboratory, but I have no way to get it to everywhere in the city.
Oh, I know. Morphle can morph into a fire truck and spray the antidote on everything that's glued stuck.
It seems we're all set. Let's dissolve this sticky situation. Oh, no! Ah, it seems that the glue machine is held together with the world's stickiest glue. It will fall apart if the antidote touches it. Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and Professor Rashid. Now, I'll take these bandits to the police station. Thank you. RoboFreeze has 4 settings: off, lenient, strict, and very strict. You should never turn this dial to very strict.
Why not, Professor?
No problem. Let's see what RoboFreeze can do. You seem like good kids. Now, let's see if he can stop crime. With the bandits causing so much trouble, I could use some help with my police work.
Morphle, morph into a police car.
Perfect. Be sure to leash your dog.
Oh, sorry, officer.
Have a good day, young lady.
Oh, why, thank you.
Be careful not to kick the ball into the flowers.
In my city, you get a ticket.
What? But... Ah! Oh, my ball.
Oh, no!
Something's wrong.
RoboFreeze must have been turned to very strict. Look.
You get ticket for walking on grass. I wasn't even walking on the grass. You were going to... What?
We have to turn the dial down.
Yeah.
Go after it, Morphle.
Oh, no.
There it is. Try again, Morphle.
Morphle, no catch.
Unacceptable!
This has to stop. But how?
I have an idea. We need RoboFreeze to come to us. Morph into a megaphone. I'm about to step on the grass.
Stop. You're getting a ticket.
Now, Morphle.
Phew! You did it, Mila and Morphle. Ahem. Oh, no. Maybe 2 Peter Freezes are too much.
Oops! Morphle, morph into a monkey to get our ball.
Mila!
Coming, Daddy.
Orphle wanna play with Morphle like Mila does. Let's play in the city. Okay, Mila. Morphle, morph, race car. Yay!
Morphle, Morphle, Morphle's gone. Let's find him.
Ah, Mila. Be a dear and take these cookies to Geraldo for his ice cream sandwiches. And don't break them. Okay. Morphle. Morph. Elephant. Cookies. Morphle. Morph. T-Rex. Oh, sorry.
Huh? A T-Rex? Not in my city.
Freeze, Mila and Morphle.
Morphle. Morph. Rocket. Let's go. Oh, but Mila, go, Morphle.
Hey! Come back here!
Ah! Fresh-baked cookies from your aunt. Perfect for my ice cream sandwiches. Mila and Morphle, what have you done? Mila?
There you are, Mila. You're under arrest for causing trouble in my city.
You must be mistaken, Officer Freeze. Mila's been with me the whole time.
Look!
Mila? Mila?
I don't know which Mila to arrest. Ah, forget it.
Orphle, why did you pretend to be me?
Orphle want to be Mila and play with the Morphle, but being Mila is hard.
Oh, Orphle.
Anyone for my new cookie crumble ice cream special?
Yeah! See? It's not that bad.
No, I can't do it. It's too scary. I'll never be able to do stunts like that in the competition tomorrow.
Sure you can. Morphle and I will help you. How can we help him be less scared, Morphle?
Crash helmet?
He already has a helmet. I was thinking of something else. Morphle, morph into a bike with a sidecar.
Oh, no.
Here we go.
Whoa.
Whee!
Whoa.
See? It's not scary.
It's not too bad, I suppose. But we haven't gone up the big ramp yet.
Well, get ready. Yeah, we did it! You did it!
Yes, that was fun. But I hope I can do it by myself tomorrow. Mila, Morphle, I can't do this without you. It's too scary. It's...
No! Morphle!
We got him. We got Morphle.
Yes. Morphle is ours now.
No! You can't take Morphle!
Uh-oh. I'll get it. The ball's stuck on the roof.
Morphle, let's help Troy get the ball back.
Tricycle?
No! We need something with wings.
Dragon!
Aw, I can't reach the ball.
Don't worry, Morphle.
Ah! It's a dragon! Ah!
It's Morphle.
Troy no like a Morphle.
Aw, don't worry, Morphle. Troy just didn't see it was you. Let's go after him to explain.
Troy?
Troy, are you here?
Marky, what is... Whoa! It's a dragon! Come
back, Marky! What is going on? A dragon!
He's not a real dragon.
No dragon breathes fire in my city. Shoo!
Yeah, shoot.
Morphle is not a real dragon. Right, Morphle? Morphle?
No one like a Morphle.
Morphle, come back. Daddy, have you seen Morphle?
Hi, Mila. I haven't. I'm looking for our newest magic pet, Ampy. It's gone missing.
Are you looking for this?
Ampy's magic power is that it can make any sound softer or...
Louder! And now everyone can hear us everywhere.
All right, stop it right there.
No, you stop it right there.
It's so loud! Ah!
Let's go, Yorn.
Give Ampy back.
Morphle's not with her, Stein.
Yeah, and with Morphle gone, no one is going to get in our way.
Mila!
Morphle! Help!
Morphle hit Mila. Morphle, go help.
Boom!
This is fun, Stein.
It is, and especially without...
Morphle!
Uh-oh.
We don't have to worry. Dragons can't cover their ears!
Morphle, morph ear protectors over your ears.
Oh, no.
Now we worry. Fly away!
Morphle, use your fire to stop the bandits.
Whoa! Fire!
One dragon isn't enough to catch us.
Morphle, not enough.
Look out!
Dragon!
Morphle, use your flame to trap the bandits.
They caught us, Stein. Yeah.
Yeah.
You cannot be that loud in my city! You two are going to jail!
Mila, Ampy, I'm so glad you're okay.
I was wrong about dragons. I shouldn't have shooed you away.